They say these Chegodi are magical. Ah! These are not shackles of pain, they are the shackles of love. Make this Chegodis, add rice flour, switch off the flame, mix this. We're going to fry them into the oil. These fantastic Chegodis. All the men who don't cook, they should get one of these from their wives and keep cooking and keep saying Vareva. Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at vareva.com, and today we're going to make this marriage rings. This is not the ring that you put on your finger, but these rings, when you're married, you make them, you enjoy them, and especially for the marriages, they make these things and eaten with as a snack rings and all that. This is what we call Chegodi or rice rings or whatever you call them, but to make it is very easy. Why they call marriage rings is because they say if you're able to make these rings good, your marriage will be beautiful. So let's see how my rings will turn out. So let's go ahead and make this Chegodi. To make this, if you're taking 1 cup of rice flour, you take 1.5 cup of water. We want this water to come to a nice boil. And also, we're going to, season this. And you want nice salt, like sea salt water. You add salt to this, bring this to a nice boil. So once this water comes to a boil, in this we're going to add some turmeric. This kind of saffron color is associated with this marriages and all that. So I'm going to add some saffron color to this. In this, we're going to add Ajwain for the flavor. And of course, I'm going to add some Hing also. It has got both of them nice flavor. In this, add some cumin seeds, and look at this, 2 cups of rice flour, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of these things. In this, add some cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. In this, add some sesame seeds, all of them 1 teaspoon. In this, we're going to add any vegetable fattening. You can add ghee, you can add butter, anything. This is all ready. I'm going to add rice flour to this and mix this and make it into a nice soft dough. Everything is there. What? I have been eating this for such a long time, I thought it is very difficult. No, this is the most easiest. This is like marriage, it is very easy. After that, the real story comes out. In this, add rice flour, switch off the flame and then slowly mix this. When you need it, this will become absolutely perfect. I'm going to let this slightly cool down. Then we're going to make the rings of heaven or rings of hell. It is up to you, and then I'm going to show you how to convert this into fantastic rings. Take a little bit of the dough. In the hand, just press it. When it has to be warm, it has to be done. So what we do is just make it like this, and usually what you do is, I have a spoon, the size. So when you take this size, have a spoon or anything, then just take this and press it. So every time you get the same size. Make these roundels and we can fry all of them. So these ones are all ready. Once we fry them, they will be awesome marriage rings. And let's go ahead and fry them. You have all of these ready. Just drop them into the oil and we're going to fry them. Make this Chegodis very nicely, slowly. Don't mix them and fry them till they are nice and golden, but maintain the temperature little low. And when these are ready, they'll come out the way your life, your marriage is. Once they are fried, we will remove them and let's see how my life, how marriage is going to be. Absolutely nice, these fantastic Chegodis. They say these Chegodi are magical and they represent your life, they represent your marriage. So, of course, why not? I'll do a magic, I'll throw up in the air and then you see the magic. And 1, 2, ah! My God, what happened? What happened to me? What is this representation of these wedding rings? No, you have to treat everything with positivity. You may think anyway, these you should see as bonding of love. These are marriage rings and everything you should enjoy. They are nice and crunchy. Wow. I don't know why they are called marriage rings, but they are nice, crunchy, tasty. And all I tell you is, make them, eat them, and then keep saying Vareva. Because Every bite is beautiful. It doesn't matter. You can always, these are not shackles of pain. They are the shackles of love. They are the shackles of affection. I know each one of you, whoever is married, you should make this, you should enjoy. Next time you eat this, I'm sure you'll remember this. Share this video with your friends, with your family, and keep saying Vareva.